Here it is, October 25, 2021. I'm out here at the West Paseo. The heavy demolition is beginning. I can hear some and see some big machinery out here now. There's a guy over there, construction guys over there with a truck and looks like maybe a backhoe or something. You can see down here they're beginning to open up underground, some of the underground installations. So I'm going to walk down this way and see if I can get closer to the machinery down here. Backhoe or something down here they're using today. Let's see when we get down here. Because this is the day of the beginning of the heavy construction starting today. Gonna go down here by the Old Town Flooring and Vino Winery towards Old Town Tavern here. See what's going on here if we can. But we're getting into the really heavy duty part now. Okay, here I am. I moved up into the loft area of the Old Town Tavern, and I'm shooting some video. What's happening? It's starting to tear it apart now, huh?
So last Wednesday I came back to work, so I left some.
Huh?
Last Wednesday I came back to work, so I left food here.
Yeah.
And I'll show you. I found a kitty. This little kitty was underneath.
Oh, really?
Yeah, where is it? I found this little kitty.
Huh.
And I found him at the end of our down there. You know how they have the fence up and they have the big flat like weights down?
Yeah.
He's wedged underneath there just screaming.
You know, there's a cat. Whenever I'm here, he must live on top of the building, and he'll come and he'll climb down the tree.
Yeah, I figured it was probably the mama left him there, but he was just screaming bloody murder, and I knew you were gonna try this up soon. So.
Yeah, they even busted up the pot there. I thought they'd salvage that or something.
Yeah, they got plenty of money though.
Yeah.
Good idea about this. That's a great idea, taking a video there.
Yeah, I tell you, this is going to be a messy here. But it looks like they're getting on it. Hopefully they get it done quickly as they can.
They said that if you look down here, there's X's on the wall, there's pink X's.
Yeah.
They said they're going to tear down. By Wednesday, the wall will be gone. Everything over will be gone.
By this Wednesday?
Yeah, and this fence will be down here on the ground.
Holy shit.
Yeah. I've lived here for 50 years now.
Yeah.
It just breaks my heart seeing them do this to this area.
Yeah, but you know, I've seen their presentation and it'll be nice, you know. And
Yeah.
Paul thinks he may get more footage, you know, of out that way.
That's a positive thing for them to give them 5 more feet. But just ruin the charm of it. Now you can kind of hide and stuff. It's great people watching.
Yeah. The
My biggest bitch is they're not providing any more parking. Did you see anywhere on that thing where they said there were more parking? They have like
No.
10 spaces down
No.
the very end.
I saw a long time ago some of the original planning was to build underground parking. I guess they abandoned it.
Yeah, which is crazy because they want to invite all these people in, but they don't have to park parking.
Yeah, I mean, they're building all these apartments down here. Where those people going to park? I don't see any parking places around.
Exactly. If you want to bring more people down here, where are they going to park? That part they're not backwards.
Yeah, crazy. Feel the vibration of the machine tearing the ground out right now. There it goes. And as Jenny was just telling me here, the wall that runs along by the bar down here is going to be torn out on Wednesday apparently. So going to be the end of the green wall there. They're going pretty quick on this part here now. You can see here. Really tearing it up. I'm going to shoot a little more of this, and then I'm going to try some other spots around here today so I can sort of chronicle what's going on today. But